Hi up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create Instagram avatar. Firstly, what you need to do, just simply go to your profile section on your Instagram account, and then you need to go on the three dots on your right upper side. Right after that you need to go for settings and then select the account session. Right after that, as you can see, you have many options right there, but as you can see on my fifth option I have for avatars. Click on avatars and just go for get started. Now you need here to select your skin tone to get started with your session for avatars. I will go for next now, and here I can choose a hairstyle that could be interesting for me. In this case I'm gonna go with this freestyle. Now if I scroll on my right side, as you can see I have many options for face shape. I will go with this shape. Then if I go on this, I have an eye shape, and get an eye shape that is interesting for me. I will go to choose the eye color with green. Yeah, the green eyes are always the most beautiful. Now I have for eyebrows also. I have a lot of options. I can go and customize my body with this session, with for example this one. Here I can get an outfit. I will go with this one, and no, I'm not gonna get a headwear. And then when I'm done, I need to go just on the done section on my right upper side, and need to wait. As you can see, they are asking you for permission. Go save change, go next, and here it is guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.